Imagine the aroma of a golden pineapple upside down cake filling your home. Today we're making a simple sweet treat that's perfect for any occasion. You'll love how moist and flavorful it is. Plus, the best part is that this recipe has no eggs. Let's get baking. To prepare the pan for our pineapple upside down cake, you want to start by adding quarter cup of melted butter into the dish. Then you want to swirl it around to cover the base and use something like a brush to brush the sides to prevent our cake from sticking. Sprinkle an even layer of brown sugar over the top of the butter on the base of the baking dish. The butter and the sugar will come together once heated and create a beautiful caramel at the top of our cake. Next, arrange the pineapple rings neatly in any design that you wish. Be sure to dry the pineapple rings and the cherries before you do this. Place a cherry in the center of each ring. Feel free to add cherries outside of the ring as well. Once that's done, we're ready to make our batter. Into a bowl, add some melted unsalted butter. Because this is an eggless cake, we're going to be using some applesauce instead of eggs. If you wish to use eggs, you want to use 3 medium-sized eggs. Add in your favorite vanilla. Sour cream, which gives the cake a really nice richness. I will leave all the amounts listed and written in the description box. Salt, pineapple juice, and we're gonna mix this together and emulsify everything. And while it's emulsifying, this is the time you want to go in with some granulated sugar. The pineapple juice I use is pineapple juice from the box and not the can, but you can also use the pineapple juice from the can. This is ready. Let's add some cake flour to a sifter along with some baking soda and baking powder as our leavening agents. Let's sift it to give the cake a really nice lightness. Let's go back in with the mixer on very low speed. High speed can make your cake dry out. Mix it on low speed just until all the dry flour has been soaked up. And once it gets to this consistency, you want to stop. We're going to use our spatula and scrape down the middle to make sure that everything has been turned up. We are ready to add to our baking dish. While I carefully pour this batter into the dish, I want to remind you, if you are loving this recipe so far, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a delicious dessert. Spread it around. Even though the pineapple is sticking out, that's okay because once the cake rises, all of that is going to be covered. Shake and tap to beat out any extra air bubbles and bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 to 55 minutes. Toothpick comes out clean, it's ready. And to remove the dome from the cake, I usually use a plate and squeeze it down once it's hot. And this is our delicious pineapple upside down cake. Let's examine the texture. As I press my fork into this moist golden pineapple upside down cake, you can see how soft and tender it is. Each bite is full of flavor, and that pineapple caramel is just irresistible. We have now come to the end of our recipe. If you enjoyed the video, give the video a thumbs up, a subscribe. Help me to grow my YouTube channel by sharing. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend, and see you in another one of my recipes.